What's up, Savage Empire gang? It's your girl Kat, and top of the morning to you. So, this loud TV you have in your house, girl. Say good morning to the vlog.
Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today?
Why you sound like a robot?
Because I'm a robot for you guys.
Oh, Lord.
I'm a robot. I'm a robot. I'm a robot for you guys. Okay, cancel that. Now do it again.
We're going to keep the authenticity.
Good morning to you.
Come here. I'm taking the dogs out. Come on. Alright, so I hope everybody's having an amazing day. I just woke up not too long ago. Yes, I did brush my teeth. I'm just kidding. But we're about to go see Jazz dad at the hospital pretty soon. We haven't eaten breakfast. We haven't done nothing. Like, it's been one of those hustle nights. So we were on live on our main channel. And we were editing the new vlogs for this channel. This is hustle season, boos. Like, I'm hustling this season. I made a new, what was it? Ooh, trying to get the right lighting over here. I made a new video on TikTok. And I'm just feeling good. You know what I'm saying? Somebody playing some good music. It's them vibes. But yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and consider it. I mean, we're doing nothing but good videos here. We have a lot planned for today. So not only are we going to the hospital to visit her dad and kind of be with him throughout this, you know, tough time that he has in the hospital. And if you know, are wanting to send your prayers, please do so. Anything counts. All prayers are welcome. We're also about to head over and do some workouts here in St. Augustine, and probably like light workouts. Woo. If you're wondering where Jazz is, well, Jazz is somewhere in the house. She's editing the other vlog that's coming out tomorrow, and well, it will be the vlog before this one. So that's that. It's been a freaking roller coaster, okay? Like, this year, I don't know what made me go savage mode. Like, I'm having those type of vibes that all I want to do is have tunnel vision, focus on getting videos out, focus on giving it my all throughout these videos, whether it's the vlog channel, the reaction channel we have. And if you're interested in our reaction channel, you can go ahead and check out the description box below and go check that channel out, see if you like it. But nothing but good vibes. I'm feeling good, you know. I've been through a lot in my life, and I finally realized a couple days ago that I was given up too soon, and I was in a position that I let so many emotions and so many things control the way that I was doing things, and that's really not me. You know, I want to be ambitious. I want to chase my dreams. And I'm not sure where this, you know, where this channel is headed. But what I am sure of is that I'm going to stay consistent this year. I'm working on my health. I'm working on, you know, just becoming more of this person that I'm evolving to, you know. And whether that is getting as many people involved as possible so I can probably also inspire their life and inspire the way that, you know, they choose to chase their dreams. As I turned 27 this year, which I turned last month, I was like, girl, what are you doing? You have personality. You are pretty. Why are you not giving yourself credit and going above and beyond to chase your dreams? I give my regular job 9 to 5 all the attention in the world, but I ain't giving my dreams all the attention in the world. I have to change that real quick, honey. That gotta change. I got a lot of good things planned this year, and I'm gonna pursue all of those dreams that I have. And if they fail, they fail, and if they are successful, they're successful. But you never know until you take the first step. So here's my first step, creating this channel, and also I have about 4 other projects throughout this new year that is going to be very special for me. And it's going to be special for Jas, because Jas also has some dreams that we together have to accomplish. You know, we have to uplift one another. That's what a partnership and a relationship is all about. But enough with the chatty. We're definitely going to head inside. I'm going to head inside, feed the doggies, feed the kiddos, and head to the hospital. And no, this year I am keeping the makeup stuff on simple. And the reason I'm doing that is because I'm focusing on bettering my skin. Y'all see these dark circles? I ain't ashamed. I got dark circles. But a lot of it comes from my diet, and a lot of it comes from, of course, no sleep, because I barely sleep. But I'm going to focus on that too this year. My skin, a good amount of consumption of water. Just my mind, body, and soul got to be, you know, A1. You know what I'm saying? It got to be on 100. So that's what I plan to do this year. And everybody who's in our life and wants to support and wants to join the journey, please, you're welcome. You're welcome to come in. And nothing but good vibes. Period. Period, Pooh. Period, hun. All right. Excuse me. Are you done using the bathroom? You just had to pee. Dahlia, come on. Look at this beautiful landscape. Yes. You ready? All right, let's head inside. My dogs listen, thankfully. I trained them from the beginning. What you make for breakfast?
What I had bacon, eggs, and toast.
Bacon, egg, and toast.
Mm-hmm.
And where in that addition did you consider us?
I had a bagel, and I was going to drizzle it with peanut butter and honey for you guys. And it's in there. Jess said she would fix it. You cut the bagel in half. You have to share it. Unless y'all go to Panera Bread and get something.
I was just pushing your button.
Cheerios with no milk.
Oh, so we use water for that.
I just eat them dry.
Oh.
I don't think I would eat cereal with water.
You know some people do eat cereal with water.
That's disgusting.
Hey, when you ain't got it, you gotta use your resources.
I guess.
Ooh, look at that rainbow.
Alright, you have milk. Oh, you look good in your hair. You should have rainbow hair.
I know.
A strip like that in your hair. It's so cute.
That is cute.
Well, guys, I'm gonna sing a song to you guys.
Oh no.
This is what I used to sing to my daughter. That she's 32 now.
You gotta turn the light on.
She's 32 now, and when I wrote her birthday card, which is, almost December 15th, she turned 32. And the song I used to sing to her.
They can't really see your face, and we're not.
Okay, well, I used to sing this song to her. It was called My Little Pumpkin.
Oh gosh.
I wrote it. I know it's not much, but it's just a start. Hey, I might be writing songs for kids. I don't know.
Okay.
But anyway,
Entrepreneurship.
Kid songbook, and I can do it.
Okay.
And the song was entitled "My Little Pumpkin."
Mm-hmm.
She was my firstborn. She was such a cute little girl. But anyway, it was like this. Hey, my little pumpkin. Hey, my little girl. Hey, my little pumpkin. Oh, you're the prettiest in the whole wide world. That's it. And I just sang that song and sung it all the time. I just loved it. It was just so fulfilling for me
Oh,
to have a little girl.
I'm glad you
And I named that little girl Jasmine. My Jazzy. That's it.
All right.
But I never really had a song for my second one. Such a sad. When you have a first child, you do like a lot with the first child. You pictures. But when that second one comes, I don't know what happened. I gotta think of a song for Ashley.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right. Well, toodles.
What's going on, y'all? I need to pop in here. I'm actually adding music to the vlog that is about to come out tomorrow. So I'm just adding finishing touches. I got everything that I need in here. I'm just adding the finishing touches to it. And we will be good. Now, after this, I'm gonna have to go to Starbucks to upload because the internet speed here is very slow, unfortunately. So I think I'm gonna have to take this thing with me to Starbucks and just upload it. And then after that, I need to get me some. I don't know if I just want a smoothie today or something. I'm actually kind of chewing, so I don't know. I might get a smoothie, but you never know with me. I might get a smoothie. I might not get a smoothie. Get some actual healthy food because I don't know. I don't know, man. And as I'm looking back at editing this video, we had this extra large seafood platter bowl. I mean, it had from anywhere: king crab, snow crab, lobster. I don't know, was this shrimp like rubbery, Kat?
Yeah.
It was like rubber. I don't like rubbery shrimp. I like them to be like, you know, tender, like eatable, you know what I'm saying? And we had some potatoes, we had eggs, sausages in there. See, we didn't eat none of the eggs or sausages. We just had the the seafood in here and the potatoes, and that was about it. And to be honest, after a while, all of it started turning into mush because we was all like with the tongs just moving everything around. But the lobster there was pretty good. It was real good, very good. Oh, we also had corn. I forgot to mention that we had corn in there too. So yeah, the king crabs was fire. Snow crabs fire. Best quality seafood. Best quality seafood I've had in a long time. So it was like lit. It was lit. Then, you know, I had to get a little saucy because, you know what I'm saying, it wouldn't be me if I wasn't saucy. So I had to get saucy real quick. No, I'm saying I ain't gonna tell y'all too much what's going on in this vlog. Y'all gotta stay tuned and keep watching these videos, and you're gonna see. You're gonna see. It was lit. So I don't know if I want a smoothie or something to eat. I'm probably gonna get a smoothie. I know I'm gonna get a smoothie. I don't know if I'm gonna get a smoothie. I'm indecisive at this point, so I don't know. I need to look here and not at the viewfinder. I know how I look. All right. So I'm not gonna hold you guys up. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this vlog up, and then I'll meet you guys at the next location.
All right, y'all. So we finally made it to our destination. Well, our first destination. We decided to come and grab something to eat before we headed to the hospital. The lighting might not be so good, but yeah, I got the point. And yeah, we're extremely hungry. It's about 12:35. We haven't eaten breakfast or anything like that, so we're definitely hungry. All right, We'll see y'all inside. We got a good one for y'all. See if any of you can relate.
I'm sure they can.
Jesus, it always, and I hate to be this person. I really do. Oh, I'm trying to get my dread out of this bun. Anyway, it never fails. So we went to this darn restaurant. First of all, the food did not have no flavor. Let's start there. Number two, here's where they went wrong. I can understand the food not having a little taste. Okay, I'll deal with it, whatever. It was pretty healthy for the most part. But then you have bad service on top of that? I mean, that just added on to the aggravation of the whole experience. You know what I'm saying? So, our waitress. Let me tell you about our waitress.
Thomas
Dumbest breaks. Well, for the lack of words here, dumbest breaks would be a good definition. But anyway, so my drink, my water, I have a thing where every time I go out and I eat something at a restaurant, I have to drink tons of water. I've always been like that. So my drink was, finito. And next thing you know, I waited to see if she would offer a refill, and I waited and I waited. Nope, nothing. And we told her from the jump that we don't eat dairy, so we ordered some rice and beans to put inside our burrito. Cause what burrito comes with no rice and beans? I'm already aggravated. So anyway, we opened our burrito, and our burrito just had veggies, which I'm not complaining about the veggies, but no rice.
But it fell apart. Like, you couldn't even.
You can't hold it together.
You put it to your mouth while you eating this bread.
So okay.
So the rice and beans is there for it to hold together. If you don't have cheese or freaking, you know what I'm saying, meat.
So I got no water. So I ended up saying, hello, can we get a water to go, 2 waters to go? Because I have to quench my thirst. So, all right. She brought us waters, no straw.
Then she brought us the tip. The
check.
I'm sorry, the check. With no pen. So how you gonna sign up with it? Our fingers?
Hold on. No worries. I'll just sign magically. So, all right. No pen for the check. No water for my thirst. And no flavor for the food. I mean, just a sad tragedy. It was just a tragedy.
Yeah.
Here's our water, at least I'm getting my thirst fulfilled.
Right.
So we made it to the hospital. That's pretty much, our experience with food here. And this is the reason why I'd rather cook in my own home, because I'm done with these restaurants. They're just not it. I don't know if Corona got it to their heads or what the heck is going on.
They got little black spots on their brain. I mean, it's cutting off her membranes. No, her remembrance.
Or her remembrance. So yeah. I'm not gonna do this any longer, which is great because then we can show you guys recipes of our vegan stuff. Show
you what we like
I've had
it, baby.
So let's get into the hospital and
Yep.
let's go see.
Oh, he was supposed to come home today, but they said he's not coming home. He has something on his arm now. I know these hospitals are they're supposed to be heroes, but I guess not.
There's a big sign in the front that says there are heroes work here.
Heroes work here. I haven't
Heroes.
seen one goddamn hero yet.
And many people have passed away in this hospital.
Trust me, they wouldn't take me in this hospital. Remember I had an issue with my liver?
Yeah.
And they didn't take me? Okay, hero.
Hero.
You're a fucking hero.
Alright, y'all.
Daddy, say hey to the vlog. We gotta tell him you in here.
Huh?
Say hey.
Hey.
What you got going on, Aaron? In the hospital?
In the hospital.
You getting better though?
Get better.
Mm-hmm.
Thought I was getting out today, but
You got another day?
got another day.
They-
Hopefully that's what all.
She said
Did they tell you when you getting out?
No,
Well,
they
they
told me I
gotta
was
wait for
getting
the-
out today. And then they told me I wasn't.
Oh damn.
I'm gonna stay overnight, put more antibiotic in me. So
Gotcha.
I really don't know what they got going on.
You gonna get out soon though.
Hopefully.
Ooh, okay, y'all. Let me stop getting goofy. Anyway, okay, y'all. So
you can act. Ooh.
we're headed to Taco Bell because I just realized that they had the nacho fries back.
We can get
And-
the fries, but not nacho cheese, because that's not vegan. You feel me?
Shh, but them fries though, baby kicking. So we're definitely heading to Taco Bell, get us some darn fries, and that's about it. When you're vegan, it's like the food just goes through you. I mean, I'm hungry, and I just ate a few hours ago, so
Yeah, the food. That's why it burns so quick, y'all.
yeah. But
And what we at don't have vegan spots.
yeah, they don't have any vegan
I mean,
spots.
I don't know. I think it's one, but it's not good.
Anywho,
And it's the only thing I get from Taco Bell. Ugh.
the fries.
Yeah, that mush.
What was I gonna say?
Body crazy, curvy waist.
Oh yeah, so today I have done a few little TikToks, and I realized that a lot of you guys have been running our numbers up on TikTok. Thank you so much.
We appreciate it. We do.
We have a lot more in store. I do want to work out today. I have a headache, but I do want to go for a walk at least. Give my body some movement.
You can walk that bridge.
Yeah, we can go on the bridge.
Wow, really? That's all you need. That's a full workout body. That's a full body workout.
See, I would walk the bridge, but I don't want to walk a bridge today. I just don't.
But
I think it's cold.
on the beach? You think it's cold?
Oh yeah, the beach will be. Yeah, because when you're up high like that in a bridge,
That feels great to me.
it doesn't feel so good to me. It gives me a headache.
I mean, if you really working out, you're not gonna feel it. I mean, you.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna run on a bridge.
Well, I'm just saying. I'm sure. I'm just saying for everybody else.
Yeah, but if you're like jogging and getting your,
You won't feel it if you're active. You will not feel it.
that's what she's trying to say. Anywho, so we might go for, maybe we should go to the beach and just,
You're still gonna feel cold there.
I don't know, I just have a migraine. It's just
We
messing
need
with
to
me.
eat something. Oh. Look how God works. Remember the day at the restaurant? My eyes always hurt everywhere. Why did your head hurt everywhere?
Because my contacts, I have sensitivity to light. Like, my eyes are very sensitive to light. Anyhow. Yeah. So we're headed to Taco Bell. We'll see you guys soon. When we're eating our Taco Bell stuff.
Yeah. It's just one of them days.
Oh yeah. Yes. The magic is here. This is the only thing that I would get for Taco Bell. Now, what happened to the top? Y'all see this, right?
It probably fell in the bag. Probably from Taco Bell.
Yeah, like they do in mukbang.
Or go ahead and get you a bite. They do that.
These are my favorite.
You should have said fresh, but it's still good.
So, we asked without the cheese. And the man said, well, they come with cheese. Well, shouldn't you save your supply? Let me stop, y'all.
Nah, it's true.
My mouth is too much today.
That's like I go to Burger King. Hey, can I have a Whopper? But I don't want any mayonnaise. Well, it comes with mayonnaise, so
But I don't want the
I
mayo.
don't want no mayo.